Good morning all of you. Welcome in a ROSE project. ROSE project is conducted by Rayat Shikshan Sanstha Satara. Myself Patil AS from SGM College, Karad. Today we will start the new chapter, that means elements of a group 16, 17 and 18. Group 16, 17 and 18 are the part of periodic table. That means in 11th standard as well as in the 12th standard, we completely discuss the basic structure of the periodic table in 11th class. That means S block is present at the left hand side, P block is present at the right hand side of periodic table, while the D block at the middle place of the periodic table is present, and F block is placed at the bottom of the periodic table. From that, in 11th standard, we discuss about the P block element. From that P block, the group number 13, 14, 15 are completed. In this year, we will see the group number 16, 17 and 18. Group number 13 is our boron family elements. These all are the boron family elements. While group 14 is the carbon family elements, and the group number 15 is the nitrogen family members. Now these all are seen into the 11th class. Now P block element 16, 17 and 18 are discussed in this chapter. In this lecture, we will see the introductory part as well as occurrence of group number 16, 17 and 18 element, while the next one point is the electronic configuration of the elements group number 16, 17 and 18. Some other points we will see in this lecture. There are 6 groups are present in the P block. That means it have a maximum 6 electron. Maximum 6. That means group 13 containing the outermost P shape, P subshell containing 1 electron. 14 containing 2 electron. 15 containing 3 electron. While the group number 16, 17 and 18 are containing 15 containing 3, 4, 5 and 6 are present into the group number 16, 17 and 18. That means P subshell containing 1 to 6 electrons. These are P block elements. Now we discuss about the occurrence of the P block element. That means group number 16, 17 and 18. The elements oxygen, sulfur, selenium and the polonium, these are group number 16 elements. These belongs from the oxygen family. Large number of metal occurs into the oxide as well as the sulfide forms. These group number 16 elements are found into the oxide as well as the sulfides. That means all of these elements, these oxygen, sulfur, these are in the form of oxide and sulfide. In everywhere air is present, and into that air up to 20.95% of volume oxygen is present. If we considering about the earth crust, then 46.6% oxygen is present into the mass of the earth crust. If we considering the sulfur, it is containing only 0.034% by the mass of earth crust. These elements, that means oxygen family elements, also occurs into the combined form. That means sulfate, such like a gypsum, different salts, copper pyrite. You all remember the all formulas of these salts or these sulfides, all formulas. Selenium and tellurium also found into the metal form, that means metal selenites and the metal hydrides. Polonium, which is radioactive, is a decaying product of thorium and the uranium. From the polonium we get the radioactive substances like the thorium and uranium. The next will be the fluorine family, that means they are present into the group number 17. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, these all are the present into the group number 17. These are collectively known as a halogen. Group number 17 is known as a halogen family members. Halogen is the Greek word. The meaning of a halo into the Greek is the salt, and gens means bond, salt family or a saltly bond, salt productive elements. Halogens are very reactive due to the high electronegativity, and hence they are not found into the free state. Halogens having more electronegativity, therefore they are not found into the free state. They occur in the form of the compounds, not in a free state. Fluorine is mainly as insoluble fluorides. Now these fluorides are small quantities into the soil, as well as they are found into the fresh waters plant and the bones, teeth of animals. Seawater containing chloride, bromide and iodide. However, it mainly containing NaCl. From the all of the NaCl containing 2.5% by the mass. The deposit of dried up sea beds containing sodium chloride and the carnite KCl, MgCl2 and 6H2O. In the marine life also containing iodine in their systems. There are different examples are given below. That means in a seaweed up to 0.5% iodine, sodium iodate in the form of sodium iodate is present. The elements helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and the radon, these all are the group number 18 elements. Group number 18 are known as the noble gas elements. All the noble gases except radon occurs into the atmosphere. These all are in the form of gas. These are present into the atmosphere in a free state. Helium, neon, argon, krypton and xenon. Radon cannot be occurs into the atmosphere. Their abundance is in a dry air is nearly equal to the 1% by the volume, with argon as the major constituent. The main commercial source of helium is the natural gas. Helium and neon are found into the minerals and the radioactive origin. Now the next point we discuss the condensed electronic configuration of elements of a group 16, 17 and 18. Group number 16, 17 and 18 चे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन कंडेन्स्ड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन इथं आपण बघणार आहे. In 11th class we completely studied about how to represent the electronic configuration. The condensed electronic configuration of the group number 16, that means our oxygen family, that oxygen having atomic number 8. The condensed electronic configuration is considered by the group number 18 elements because they are completely filled elements, or these are the non-reactive elements. Oxygen having atomic number 8, He2S2 2p4, that means in a second shell, S subshell containing 2 electrons while P subshell containing 4 electrons. For sulfur having atomic number 16, neon, that means 10 electrons are distributed into that neon and the remaining 6 are 3s2 and 3p4. Similar to that selenium 34 electrons are divided, or write the electronic configuration by the condensed electronic configuration, that means argon 3d10 4s2 4p4. If we considering the outermost subshell of a p, all oxygen selenium, that means all the oxygen family elements, group number 16 elements containing 4 electrons in their p subshell, 4 electrons into the p subshell, 2p4, 3p4, 4p4, 5p4, 6p4. The general electronic configuration of group 16 is ns2 np4, ns2 np4. The next group number 17, that means our halogen family, fluorine having atomic number 9, 2 from this helium and remaining 7 are into the second shell, and 2 electron into the s subshell and remaining 5 are into the p subshell, 2s2 2p5. Next, chlorine atomic number 17, these are Ne, 3s2 3p5. Bromine having atomic number 35, argon 3d10 4s2 4p5. Here also for the iodine 5s2 5p5. All p subshell, if we considering containing 5 electrons, that means the general electronic configuration for group number 17 is ns2 np5, p subshell containing 5 electrons. Now the next group number 18, that means noble gases, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, etc. Helium having atomic number 2, therefore 1s2, the first shell is completely filled. Next will be the neon, neon containing 10 electrons, therefore the distribution of these 10 electrons as a 1s2, that means our helium 1s2, 2s2 2p6, 1s2 2s2 2p6, that means Se 2s2 2p6. Here argon 3s2 3p6, krypton 4s2 4p6. That means if we considering all the elements except this helium, all the elements from the group number 18 containing 6 electron in their p subshell. The p subshell containing 6 electrons. The general electronic configuration of these group number 18 is ns2 np6. See here, the general electronic configuration of group number 16 is ns2 np4. Group number 17 ns2 np5. Group number 18 is ns2 np6. Group number 16 having 4 electrons into their p subshell. Group number 17 having 5 electrons into the p subshell, while group number 18 having 6 electrons into the p subshell. The elements of group 16 and 17 respectively having 2 and 1 electron less than that of a stable electronic configuration nearest to the noble gases, that means group number 18. The group number 16 and 17 having less, 16 having 2 less electron than that of a group number 18. That is group number 17, that means halogen group containing 1 electron less than that of a group number 18. The next is the atomic and physical properties of elements group 16 and 17 and 18. First we discuss about the atomic properties of group 16, 17 and 18. The first atomic property is the atomic and ionic radii. In group 16, 17 and 18, when we move down to the group, the ionic as well as the atomic radii increases. That means increase in the number of quantum shells. Across the period, if we considering the atomic and ionic radii goes on decreases with increase in atomic number. Group number 17 elements, that means halogen group, halogen family members having smallest atomic radii in their respective periods. The second atomic property is the ionization enthalpy. The ionization enthalpy is very high into all these groups, group 16, 17 and 18. That ionization enthalpy decreases down the group due to the increase in atomic size. Across the period, ionization enthalpy increases with increase in atomic number. This is due to the addition of electrons in the same shell. When we adding one electron into that of a same shell, the ionization enthalpy goes on increases. However, the elements of a group 16 having lower ionization enthalpy value compared to that of a group 15 in the corresponding period to extra stable half-filled electronic configuration of a p orbital in the groups 15, elements present into the group 15. The next property is the electronegativity. In a group 16, 17 and 18, the electronegativity decreases down the group. That means when we move from top to bottom, then electronegativity also decreases. Oxygen has the highest electronegativity as compared to that of a fluorine. Halogen having very high electronegativity. Fluorine is the most electronegative element into the periodic table. The fourth one atomic property is the electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy becomes less negative down to the group. If we considering group number 16, 17 and 18, when we move down to the group, the electron gain enthalpy goes on decreases. That means the value of electron gain enthalpy becomes less into the down. However, in group 16, oxygen has a less negative electron gain enthalpy than sulfur due to its small atomic size. Into the group 17, fluorine has a less negative electron gain enthalpy than that of a chlorine. This is due to the small size of a fluorine atom. Into the group 18, elements, that means all are the noble gases, they have no tendency to accept electron because they are a stable electronic configuration. That means their outermost shell is fully filled, therefore it cannot be accept any electron, and thus large positive electron gain enthalpy present. If we move from the left to right, the ionization energy goes on increases, atomic radii goes on decreases, atomic radii increases from top to bottom. In this chart, we have the all values of atomic and physical properties of group 16, 17 and 18. That means all atomic number as well as the atomic masses, atomic radius, ionic radius, ionization enthalpy, how they are decreases from top to bottom are given into this table. Also, the density, melting point, boiling point, all values are present into this table. Group number 16, the density goes on increases from top to bottom. Group number 70 also have increasing order of the density, while the melting point of these all are goes on increases from top to bottom into the group number 17, 16, 17 and 18. Some problems we discuss here. The value of first ionization enthalpy of sulfur and chlorine are 1000 and 1256 kilojoule mole inverse respectively. Explain the observed trends. The values of the ionization enthalpy of sulfur is 1000 while chlorine is 1256 kilojoule mole inverse is given here. The elements as that means sulfur and chlorine, these are present into the second period. Both elements are of the second period. Across the period, electronegativity, nuclear charge increases and atomic size decreases with increase in atomic number. Therefore, energy required for the removal of electron from the valence shell increases into the order. That means sulfur have a less, it requires less energy for removing of one electron from that valence shell, and chlorine having required higher energy for removal of one electron. Therefore, these values are ionization enthalpy values are increasing order. That means sulfur have 1000 and a chlorine have more than that of a sulfur. The next one is the fluorine has less negative electron gain affinity than chlorine. Here, electron gain affinity is given. Why it will be happen? If we considering the size of fluorine atom, it is less, that means smaller than that of a chlorine. As a result, there are strong inter-electronic repulsion in the respectively smaller 2p orbital of fluorine, and therefore the incoming electron does not experience much attraction. This fluorine has a less negative electron gain affinity than that of a chlorine. Now the next point is the physical properties of group 16, 17 and the 18 elements. The group number 16 is our oxygen family. Oxygen, we know that it is in the form of or in the state of a gas, while other elements remaining the oxygen are solid at a room temperature. Oxygen and sulfur are the non-metal, while selenium and tellurium are the metalloids, while polonium is the metal. Non-metal, metalloid and a metal, that means metallic character goes on increases from the top to bottom. We know that polonium is the radioactive substance. From melting point and boiling point increases with increase in atomic number. In the previous table, we discussed about the melting as well as the boiling point goes on increases from the top to bottom. All the elements are having allotropes. That means oxygen, sulfur, all these elements present in a group number 16 having allotropes. The next group, that means group number 17, is the halogen family. Fluorine, chlorine are in the form of gases, while bromine is in the form of or in the state of liquid, while iodine is the solid at a room temperature. If we considering the color of these all elements, fluorine having yellow color, chlorine having greenish yellow color, bromine having red as well as the iodine having violet in color. Fluorine and chlorine react with water. Bromine and iodine are only sprinkly soluble into the water and soluble into the various organic solvents such as a chloroform, carbon disulfide, these all organic substances. Into that, the bromine and iodine will be soluble and they gives the colored solution. Bond dissociation enthalpy of halogen molecules is, if we consider the bond dissociation enthalpy order, then chlorine having the highest bond dissociation enthalpy than that of bromine as compared to bromine and fluorine. Fluorine have a less bond dissociation enthalpy than that of bromine, and the iodine having a very less bond dissociation enthalpy as compared to chlorine, bromine and fluorine. The last one is the group number 18. These all are the noble gases. Noble gas are monoatomic. They are springly soluble in water. Noble gases have a very low melting and a boiling point. Helium has the lowest boiling point, that means 2.4 Kelvin of any known substances. In this table, the physical properties of group 16, 17 are given into the short form. These are the physical properties of group number 18. That means noble gases. Increasing density, atomic radius, increase in number of filled electron shells. Thank you.